Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use Google Docs offline on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, what you're going to do here is you have to open your Google Docs. It's better if you have your Google Docs application. Tap on that specific Google Doc file that you want to use, even if you're online. So you have also to make sure that you're logged into that specific account right here, and make sure also that you have your files uploaded to your Google account or Google Docs. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to look for a specific file that I'm going to edit later. So it's very easy to do that. You just have to look for the file. Here on the file, what you're going to do next is tap on this three dots at the top right corner. Once you tap this three dots, then you have to scroll down and you should see this available offline. What you're going to do next is to turn this one on or toggle this one on. And as you can see, file now available offline. Now I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi or data here and let's see if I can still edit my Google Docs. So I have turned off Wi-Fi data. I open the file or Google Docs file here and I tap on this pencil icon. And as you can see, I can still edit my Google Docs file even if I'm offline. So that's how to use Google Docs offline on your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.